I don't know what these birds are thinking that they're going to accomplish here. They look like they're eating a worm of some sort. Jumping on a trampoline. That's for humans. You crazy birds. Hey. Get off of there. No, you don't need to go in there. It's not yours. Stop chewing on that. It's not a worm. String. Sorry it's so shaky. Birds. Stop chewing on that. Hey, don't chew on that. Don't let your buddy chew on that. Those are strings, not worms. Worms are in the ground, not on trampolines. Crazy, crazy birds. You're not gonna get it. You're not getting it. But hey everybody, this is Jeffrey Brading with another Saturday video. I'm here watching crows. A crow peck at a trampoline. He's eating a worm. He was trying to chew on the worm. Or the strings. Crazy critters. I don't know what he's trying to accomplish. Get off of there. Kids play on that. Nasty bird. Go on. Go. Fly away. Shoo, bird. Shoo. Trying to talk to him in his own language. Oh, there he goes. Into the tree. Alright, well. That was interesting. I hope y'all enjoyed that. There's a piece of hair on there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. And don't forget to share the video. Birds.